Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to pick up on where we left off last time, and we are going to sort our dictionary, our items in that are tuples, and we are going to do it by the quantity of entries. Last time we did it in alphabetical order, and it was just a hodgepodge, and it really didn't tell us anything. So first of all, we need to learn. I kind of went through sorted here pretty quickly, but we're going to do a little bit more. Remember how we learn more about a function? It's already been predefined. So type in help and sorted. So okay, this is all very important here. So our iterable, that's our list of tuples, which is book. Now, these two, and if you haven't watched the multiple entry and default, go watch that video and come back and watch this, because you'll understand what this means. So alright, we need to create our key. There's two ways to do this. I'm going to show you the lengthier version, but it's easier to understand, and then I'll come back and do another video on a shorter version that we can all do in this one line. So alright, we need to create a function that's actually going to be the key of how to sort. So alright, let's just alright, what this is going to do, and I will show you, return x minus 1. So alright, let's think about what that is right there. That is saying take an entry and return the last item in the entry. So let's just keep this real simple. So here's an example of, let's just do a list, and it's going to have 1 and 2, and it's going to return 2. And if you don't understand this, go back and watch slicing, and I go into it. There's a video called slicing. So alright, just returns the last item. This is indexing, negative index, negative 1, the last item. Hence why we named it last. So okay, we need to copy this function. Doesn't look like this tabbed right, so okay. So indentation, very important. So let's just go over what I did. This backspace, and let Python do the indentation for me. So now, okay. So I have my key and my function. So alright. Now so we're gonna put our key in, equal last, and it understands that it is going to go back and find last. So this is how simple this is. Hey, here's your key. This is how I want you to sort it, because when it does not, it's just going to do its own, and it's going to sort by the keys. We're saying, hey, because to remind you, these items are going to be coming out as a key and a value pair. Remember? It's going to have the key right here, and then the number of times things appear. Well, we want this to be sorted by the last item, the number, the quantity. So I want you to sort this by the quantity of items. So let's just run this. This is going to take a second. But it comes through. So okay. So here we go. The appears 56 times, and appears 30 times, and so on. You can go. But that is all the way the bottom. Is there a different way I can do this? Let's look at sorted again. Aha, reverse. So let's put reverse true. So I want these to be where it's at the top, and I'll show you why. So this takes us another minute. Well, wait a second. Well, that was dumb. Now I got to scroll all the way up here to get that. All right. So why don't we do one more thing? Let's do one more thing. Let's slice our iterable, our list of tuples. So let's slice this and just get the first 10. So this works just for our slicing. This works just fine. So I'm saying, hey, only grab, because we just sorted this, so this is sitting in memory already sorted. We don't have to look at it because we've already conceded. We can scroll up and down. So I just want you to grab the first 10. It's not going to grab index 10, but it's going to start at 0 and go through 9. That just to remind you. So let's run this again, see what comes out. Ah, not nice, pretty little list. So the top 10 results are the, and, I, my, of, a, that, chamber, this, and at. So I hope you guys are starting to really wrap your head around the things you can do in just a little bit of code, and some things that are very helpful, and we'll just keep building upon this. So don't forget to leave any comments below. Click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. I hope you guys are really getting something out of this. See you next time, guys. Thanks.